USAID Apoiu Ministeriu Saude, Hodi Haforsa Kapasidade na Monitorizasaun da Baze Komunitaria da Saude.
Bisa lebih makan kalau riset da Saude lebih makan apoio USAID ini sama ini Ministeriu Sosial lebih makan apoio atau Ministeriu Sosial tidak ada importante deve tambah tambah interesse quando dia
In general, USAID has been working in Timor-Leste since 2001. One of our objectives is health, including democracy and governance, as well as economic growth. Again, on the health side, this project, local health sustainability activity, is a $15.6 million 5-year activity, whereby we're supporting the Ministry of Health to strengthen its health information systems, management systems, including monitoring and evaluation. So that's one of the priorities of this event today. We have been also very successful under this activity to bring in civil society voices. So that's a priority for us and health at this point. We've also supported the Ministry of Health COVID-19 response and other sectors as well.
Kita haluhang like, comment, subscribe e no mosh belefai tudang.